Republicans are freaking out all across the country over the issue in Arizona, where the Supreme Court there declared an 1864 law to be constitutional that criminalizes abortion. Now, individuals who literally voted for it, who endorsed various bills, the governor who actually expanded the Supreme Court in Arizona is now saying, oh my God, we have to change this. This is not good. Sean Hannity was on the Fox News going, we've got to get rid of this law. Why are Republicans now freaking out about abortion when all they've tried to do since 1973 was to get Roe v. Wade overturned, and they did with the Dobbs decision? It's because they've been losing. Especially, there's a ballot initiative in Kansas. They lost. In Ohio, they lost. The Florida Supreme Court is going to allow a potential ballot initiative to go forward. Arizona may have a ballot initiative going forward. 10 states may have it. Even in Alabama, after the Supreme Court's decision there regarding in vitro fertilization, a Democrat won a state seat over a Republican over the issue of IVF. And so, don't you find it quite interesting that the very people who, one, said they wanted a national abortion ban are now all retreating and, oh, no, that's not what we want. Let me bring in my panel right now. Reese Colbert, host of the Reese Colbert Show, Sirius XM Radio out of Washington, D.C. Greg Carr, Dr. Greg Carr, Department of Afro-American Studies. Howard University, Washington, D.C. will be joined in a bit by Lauren Victoria Burke with Black Press USA out of Arlington. Reese, I'll start with you. It was laughable to me, Reese, and guys in the control room, y'all see if I can get the video, of Sean Hannity saying, we've got to overturn this law. You Republicans in Arizona going, ooh, the legislature's got to fix this thing. Carrie Lake saying, oh, I disagree with this decision, even though she's on tape supporting this decision. They are freaking out because they have seen that when abortion and a woman's reproductive rights is on the ballot, they lose, and they are scared to death of this becoming a dominant issue and them losing in Arizona, in Florida, and other places across the country.
Well, they absolutely should be scared, but I'm not buying this freak out at all as any kind of pivot in their policy. Even as all of this this freak out is happening in terms of the media and the political conversation that Republicans are having, Republicans in the state of Arizona, which now currently has an 1864 abortion ban, are refusing to allow legislation on a repeal of this ban. And so irrespective of what people are saying and irrespective of the posturing that's changing, the policy that has been enacted time and time again in these Republican states is consistent with this abortion ban. It is not even of the most extreme abortion bans in the country that have been ushered in the 2020s. And so I'm not buying it one bit. And I think, to be honest, any time that we give an inch in the notion that Republicans are pivoting is helping them, because the reality is political posturing is not the same as a policy change. And I think that Republicans, if given the chance, will do exactly what they have consistently done on the state level when they're in charge at the federal level, including Donald Trump.
Fanbase is pioneering a new era of social media for the creator economy. This next generation social media app with over 600,000 users is raising $17 million, and now is your chance to invest. For details on how to invest, visit startengine.com/fanbase or scan the QR code. Another way we're giving you the freedom to be you without limits.